Good evening, YouTube. Good evening. I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope all you guys are having an awesome week, keeping safe, social distancing, all the good stuff. Hope you're doing all of that. Thank you and welcome to the channel, Pips and Points. And we're going to pick up from where I left off on Sunday night. So Sunday night, I left off at talking about a channel that was forming, and I literally left it around this area. So let me just draw a little box around it. So I left it around this area. So literally before all of this hadn't happened, all of this had not happened roughly when I left it Sunday night, okay? And all this happened after, from Sunday to Wednesday, which is where we are right now, Wednesday the 24th of November. All of this is taking place. And right now, as I'm making this video, there actually is a Fed meeting going on right now. So it is the Federal Open Market Committee. So they're going to be talking about the economic and financial conditions that has influenced that. Okay, so it is a detailed record of the FOMC's most recent meetings, providing an in-depth insight into the economic and financial conditions that influence their vote on where to set interest rates. Okay, so today's a big one, talking about interest rates. So that's going on right now, which I believe once the meeting has concluded, this whole thing right here is going to go crazy. But at the moment, the most logical thing that I can think that will happen, right, is it will test this diagonal price action level again and possibly come back down to this price action level, okay, and then possibly go up or come to about here, price action level. So let's do this, price action level around here, and then break through this level to make his way down here, or even possibly even break through this level to go down even further. Why do I say that? Actually, yes, about this level. So I would say it'll probably come back down to about this level. And why do I say that? Well, I say that because I believe this price action level is going to be respected, and the other two price action levels that I have drawn, they haven't happened yet, so they're just in the air. Woo, no one knows. No one knows, but we do know that this is a real price action level and this is a price action level, right? So we know that these two are definitely solid on that, and that is on the 4 hourly. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Now in these instances, so for example, from Sunday night, it would have been very easy for me to take a sell order and just ride it down and collect some pips, possibly collect some pips on the way down. But I chose not to do that, just simply because the setup that I'm looking for, it's not at this level, it's at this level. This is the level that I want, and the gains that I'm looking for will be all of this. And I'll be happy, and I could literally set that and just do what you do on a 9 to 5. Go in, make phone calls, generate business for your clients and all the rest of the fun stuff. But literally, this is what I'm expecting. Obviously, it's not going to go up like this. It's probably going to go woo, 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 and then do something like that. Do you know what I mean? Do something like that. And that's just all a guess, by the way. But yeah, so literally that is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping to get it around this level. Okay, so in my case, what does that mean for me? That means basically I got to sit around and wait for that situation to happen. So regardless of what he's doing, all I can do at this point is just watch. But at the same time, depending on how soon you guys are watching this video, I can point out a couple of setups for you. Now, this is not financial advice, not at all. I'm just speaking my opinion. You have to go and do your own research. It could work in your favor, it might not work in your favor, depending on how you're doing it, but this is what I'm seeing at the moment. So this setup right here will be a perfect position to buy, okay? And don't get greedy, just aim for this support level, which is 16 which is 1674, and you're good. and you're good. I'm not saying this is set in stone. This is just an idea. But this particular area, where it is right now, if you was to put in a buy, okay, there's a very good chance it's going to try to test this price action level again. There's a very good chance it's going to do that. Let me just highlight that, make that red, nice bold red. Let's just make that even fatter. Actually, let's make it 4 so it's undeniable. So this little line right here, it's this little diagonal line up. I believe it's going to test that again, a buy here. Wouldn't be a bad idea, and this is where it is right now. So once I edit this video and upload it, at worst it should have reached roughly around 1635. Now if I get it wrong, it's going to break down to this level, which it can happen. So by the way, this is not like something that I'm saying that is 1,000,000% going to happen, because like I say, and I'll say it over and over again, I don't know. Okay, I'm just making best possible guesses that I want to take advantage of. But however, I see this area is still an opportunity that people would want to jump in on. There are people that would have seen this and would have been jumping onto this right now, and there would have been people that would have seen this particular situation and jumped on it and been selling it on the way down. Okay, so what I'm saying is for those that have eyes to see, we'll see. I'm just doing more pointing in a direction, saying, hey guys, look at it right here, like it's doing that, like don't you think it looks cool? You know, so that is what I think is going to happen at the moment. And this whole situation right here, I'll say maybe another 2 weeks, maybe around December, I might get it pulling down to about here. And heading into the new year, or in the new year, is when it might start pushing up. But either way, I'm gonna wait. I'm literally going to wait, because this is one of the most important skills to actually develop in trading. Is discipline. Having a rule and sticking to it no matter what. That is going to serve you well in the future, supposing to being in the markets all the time. And when I was first starting out learning how to trade, literally I was in the markets all the time. It did help me a lot with technical analysis, but I'm not gonna lie, I lost a lot as well. So I did lose a lot, and I still lose today. But however, my losses are a little bit, they're a lot smaller for starters, and I don't lose that often. I'm right more than I'm wrong, and the reason why I'm right more than I'm wrong, the logic is really simple. I just take my time and I don't rush into anything, and I wait for my setup. That's all I do. I wait for my setup. I don't jump in on anything. So this is a setup that I definitely could take, and there is a very, very good chance it's going to go my way. But however, it's not my setup. This setup does not fit in line with how my life actually works. So I wouldn't take this move, even though I know I could do well with this move, because by me taking this move, I'm breaking my own rules. And ultimately, if I'm breaking my rules here, it means I'll break my rules a lot more. And if I'm going to break my rules a lot more, I will become a losing trader. It's just what it is, because I have no discipline. There is no structure in how I'm doing things. I'm just doing things how I feel I should be doing it. And the key word that I've mentioned is how I feel. And in this game, there are no feelings. There is no feelings in it at all. At all. So once I learned how to remove my feelings from it and look for the situations that best benefited me, I've started doing a lot better. Now at this point, you probably be like, hey, tell us how much you've made. That all of that is not important, because it's focusing on the money gets you nowhere. The money is the result of you having a good strategy. That's how you get paid. If you have a good strategy, the money will take care of itself. If the strategy is shit, if the strategy ain't good, then don't worry about making money, because you're going to be losing money. So once again, I want to give all blessings and good fortune to anyone that's taking time to watch this video. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and please leave a comment.